girl, I don't buy drinks at the bar. City girl, yeah, they rock with me, I'm a star. Get it, girl, keep on going, you gon' make it far. Get it, girl, get it, girl.
What's up, y'all? It's Bam, and I am back with another video. And today's video is going to be me doing the 7-day rice water challenge. And I'm only doing this challenge because we on quarantine and we all stuck in the house. So I was like, let me just do the challenge because there's nothing I can do but be productive. So I was like, why not? So right here, I'm just doing a length check before I go wash and flat iron my hair. So yeah, I'm going to be trimming my ends too because I have bad split ends. Y'all go see. So after washing and flat ironing my hair, that's how my hair looks. It looks very uneven. My ends look a hot mess. Like, I had to clip those ends because if you don't clip your ends, then your hair won't grow. So I clipped the dead ends off, and that's after I clipped all the dead ends off. It looks way better than it did before. And yeah. By the way, y'all, I have a ferret, so that's my ferret right there. Her name is Chanel. I call her Nail for short. So yeah, that's my baby. So a day before I started the challenge, I already let the rice water sit for 24 hours to let it ferment and get all its nutrients and protein inside the water. So this is the next day, and I got in the shower so it wouldn't be messy of when I put the rice water onto my hair. So I'm combing out my wrap right now. I decided I wanted my hair at its natural state when I apply the rice water onto my hair, so I'm just wetting my hair so it can get curly and get back into its natural state, because it's gonna curl up anyway once I wet it with the rice water. So I already transferred the rice water from the jar to the spray bottle, and now I'm just taking random sections of my hair and applying the rice water, spraying the rice water, coating all of my hair with the rice water. So yeah, and y'all do not come for me of how I'm parting and sectioning off my hair. It's a hot mess. It's real uneven, so I don't care. As long as the rice water is getting on my hair, I really don't care. So I'm just coating my hair with the rice water and twisting it all up, and I'm gonna do my whole head like that. Another thing, make sure you guys massage the rice water into y'all's scalp, and make sure you coat your ends with it real good. That's very important. There's really nothing else to explain. I'm basically gonna be doing the same thing until I'm done with my whole head, and then I'm gonna come back when I'm on my last section. So after I'm done with this last section, it's still some rice water inside the spray bottle, so I decided to spray it on my scalp and massage it real good. And then you want to take a plastic bag, any type of plastic bag, and cover your hair with it. I let my rice water sit for a couple of hours, and I rinsed it out. So before I started this challenge, I forgot to mark my hair of where it stopped at so I can see if my hair grew or not by the end of this challenge. So that's what I'm doing here. So now it's day 2, and I'm literally going to do the same thing as I did yesterday. I'm going to take sections of my hair, coat it with rice water, then twist it up. I'm not going to talk through the whole 7 days because it's just nothing to explain, because I'm literally doing the same thing every day. So If I have something else to say, I'm gonna come back, but other than that, you guys enjoy this video and I'll be back. In the meantime, feel free to leave a comment down below of what you guys think of this video so far, and let me know if you did this challenge before and how it worked out for you, because I want to know you guys' experience with it. So yeah. By the way, y'all, I already have a presentational video of how to make rice water already on my channel, so I'm gonna link that in the description box down below. So if you guys want to know how to make it, and if you guys want to know its benefits and stuff, then it'll be in the description box down below. So now that it's day 5, I'm just going to let y'all know that for days 5, 6, and 7, I let the rice water sit on my hair overnight. Like, I didn't let it sit for a couple of hours. I let it sit overnight, as in I slept with it and everything and rinsed it out the next day. So I just had to let y'all know that. So the next day after rinsing my rice water out, y'all, this is what happened. Like, as y'all can see, this rice water stuff grew my hair. Like, that is so fire to me, bro. I was so shook and so excited. Like, this stuff really, really works. Like, at first I was having doubts and stuff. Like, this stuff is not finna work. This stuff is not finna grow my hair. But as y'all can see, it grew my hair. So if you guys want to grow your hair, I recommend rice water 100%. Like, y'all, I really kept measuring my hair to make sure I was not tripping. Like, this stuff really grew my hair. I was not tripping, y'all. Like, this stuff really works. It really grew. So I recommend this stuff.
You not rocking pink, pink. Can you sit with me, bitch? What the fuck you think? Hell to the fuck no.